Hello friend, meet again with me Ferdi Abdul from Herbal Medicine for class 4A. I'm here to make Moringa, ginger, honey, milk ice drink. Okay, let's go to make.
Okay, let's just go ahead, and here are some tools and material that we have to prepare.
That must be prepared are a glass, spoon, and then milk, moringa powder, ginger powder, and acetone.
Okay, just go ahead and make the drink. Step 1. Put the moringa powder into the glass. Step 2. Add the honey ginger powder. Step 3. Pour the milk. Step 4. Stir until evenly distributed. After that, add ice cups according to taste. And then, drinks ready to be served. Good luck.